In this video, I'm going to show you how to add and replace images on your web page using WebStarts. To get started, go to webstarts.com and log into your account. Click to edit your site and then choose the page that you would like to edit from the drop-down in the top left. To replace any image that appears on a web page, double-click on it and that will open up the file manager. You can replace or swap out that image by selecting the replacement image and then click Insert File. If you'd like to add a new image to your web page, you can do that by clicking Add, Image, and then choosing the new image from the file manager and click Insert File. You can then drag and drop any image where you'd like it to appear, and you can use the handles to resize the image. You can also adjust some of the other image properties by clicking on the settings icon. You can delete an image at any time by clicking on the attached red X. There are a few different places that you can pull images from when adding an image. Click Add, Image, open up the file manager, and then you can choose to upload an image from your local computer. You can also find an image from the WebStarts image search library by clicking on Image Search and typing in a keyword, or you can select a category and even search by a particular color. You can also pull images from your Facebook account by clicking on the Facebook icon and then connecting your Facebook account. Your albums will then be displayed and you'll be able to import those images to your web page. Images can also be turned into full width strips. To do this, create some space on your site, add an image to your page, and then click the full width option. You can then drag your full width image into place and also resize it using the handles. You can do other things like change the background color, and click on the settings icon to change other properties. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to visit webstarts.com to create your very own free website and see more helpful videos like this.